Hello, friends. Welcome. This is the Beginner's English. Let's start. Ooh! Yay, morning fun. Hee, let's play. Brush your teeth, okay. Wash your face, clean. Drink milk, yummy. Eat breakfast, I like food. Come with me, okay. This is my village. Nice village. Look at the cows, they're so funny. I think one wants to play. This is a waterfall. Water flows. Water is clean. Beautiful. Wow. Wow. This is the bus station. Bus! People wait here. Bus goes. Look, the bus is coming. I see it. Let's go. Yay! Did you see that? It's moving by itself. Whoa! Look at its funny face. This is the post office. Post office. We send letters. Letters come. Eat lunch. I am hungry. Sit and rest. I am tired. Now we will go to village school. Whew, nice! This is my school. School! We learn here. I like school. This is the playground. Let us play. Run and play. Yay! School. We learn here. I like to throw. Run and play. Yay! It is evening. Playtime. Sun goes down. Orange sky. Eat dinner.
Okay.
Go to bed.
Good night.
Good night. Thank you for watching the Beginner's English. Level 1, Beginner's English. My village. Thank you. Then you.